Hi everyone! In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to crochet cute and easy newborn baby hat. I'll be using soft, beautiful yarn that is blend of acrylic and wool. My hook is 5mm. The stitches that I will show you in a few minutes are really very nice and very easy to realize. Let's get started. The baby hat. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, close and create a circle, chain 2. Now work 12 double crochets in this circle. Make a slip stitch to close the round, and we have 12 double crochets for the first round. Next round, chain 2, yarn over, and I will do 2 double crochets in every stitch. When I finish the round, I'll have the double number of stitches, so 24. Join to close the second round. Next round, chain 2. I will do 2 double crochets into the first stitch, yarn over. I'll work 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochets in next stitch, yarn over, and 1 front post double crochet in next stitch. Yarn over and 1 front post double crochet over the last stitch. Then join with the slip stitch to close the round, and I have this round completed. Round 4, chain 1. Now I'll work 1 single crochet in every stitch, but only on the back loop. I have 36 single crochets. I'll close the round, and I continue with the next one. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Round 5, chain 1, yarn over, I will do 1/2 double crochet in the first stitch and 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over. Now I'll work long double crochet in the front post double crochet from previous round, only on the front loop. Yarn over, 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, 1 long double crochet, yarn over, 1/2 double crochet in next 2 stitches, yarn over, and 1 long double crochet. I'll repeat. And 1 long double crochet and the last front post double crochet from previous round, then join to close the round. I'll continue with the next round, and this round will be round 6. Chain 1, and I will do single crochet in every stitch, but only on the back loop. Join to close the round. Round 7 will be absolutely the same as round 5. So chain 1, 1/2 double crochet in the first stitch, and in the second stitch yarn over and make a long double crochet. And I'll do the last long double crochet, then I'll join. Next round, chain 1, I'll repeat round 6. So 1 single crochet, but only on the back loop for every stitch. join, slip stitch. This round is completed. Next round, chain 1 and repeat round 5. Then join with slip stitch to close the round. And continue with the next round. Chain 1, single crochet in every stitch on the back loop of the stitch. I'll finish the last 2 rounds with this texture. I just finished the single crochet round. Now I'll make a border. I repeat the previous round, so single crochet in every stitch, but I'll work only on the back loop. Chain 1, I'll repeat the previous round. The hat is ready. I have another hat that I started, but it's not yet finished. My yarn is different. With this yarn I used 5mm hook, and for this yarn my hook was 4.5mm. The stitches are finer. This is beautiful texture, not so fast because you have 1/2 double crochet round and 1 single crochet round. But I recommend you to crochet the hat with finer yarn. Thank you to stay with me until the end of the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. I wish you a wonderful day and see you next time.